Hi there. In this quick video I'm going to do some work on this Lenovo G580 and mostly I'm going to reinstall the software on it because Windows is loading extremely slow now. As the guys mostly watching my channel know, I don't really do Windows reinstalls. I've done them in the past and I have clones of them onto this USB drive, and I simply put those clones onto any new laptop where I need it, and if it has a Windows 10 license, for example, it will activate by itself. If it has a Windows 7 license, I need to input that license and then it will activate. This one, I'm not even sure if it has a valid license. I am going to put a Windows 10 64-bit clone on it. If it has a license, it will activate. If not, I will buy one and activate it. So, let's get to it. Was a bit wrong there with the boot menu key, or maybe I just pressed it too late, because from what I know it should be F12. F11, F10. I'm not liking this. Am I getting this thing wrong? F12, yeah. Yeah, it just didn't take. Okay, let's boot from my data Acronis true image. Let's see, yeah, we have a mouse, which is perfect, and I will let it load and be back when it finishes. Slight change of plans. I've checked and it seems to be data on partition D, so I want to back up that data onto an SSD, and I will put it back later after I finish my work on that new partition D that I will create. So I will use mini Windows XP to copy everything to the SSD. Should start up fairly quick. And Hiron's boot CD actually sees all the drives, which is awesome. We can copy without any problems. And I am going to use, if I can actually see it, file managers, sorry, Total Commander, because isn't it easier to use Total Commander than anything other? So let's get to copying, and the data is being copied to the SSD. Yeah, it will take a bit of time, but not too much. Anyway, we'll wait. Ta-da! Finished. So all the data is backed up on the SSD. Let's give it a quick eject. Yeah, I think this one it is. And it's perfect. And let's reboot this thing and start the cloning process. And I already bought the Windows 10 key ready to go onto this thing because it doesn't have a key. F12, F12. And where is it? Acronis. Yeah, let's do this in high speed. At first I tried to keep the D partition so I wouldn't have to copy everything back from this SSD, but it was way too complicated in this software and there were chances it would not actually work, so wiped everything down and putting a fresh clone onto this thing. And that's about it for this laptop. It was a quick job. All the data is copied back to the data drive. C drive is way emptier if it doesn't have stuff gathered on it over the years. So yeah, this thing running well. That's about it. Nothing else left to say about this laptop. I'm not going to give it the clean that I always do on my laptops. This is not mine. Yeah, it's not part of this this job. And yeah, that's about it. So thank you very much for watching. Hopefully you've enjoyed it. Maybe give the video a like, check out my other videos, and as always, see you in the next one. Bye. And yeah, just forgot, in case you're wondering about the specs of this thing, it's an i7. Let me zoom on it a bit. It has 80 gigs of memory, 3520M, 2.9 gigahertz, and it has a dedicated GPU. It's a GT630M, and an integrated one in the CPU. It's a HD Graphics 4000. Yeah, decent config. Hard drive is 500 gig. It would really benefit from an SSD. It has a decent enough CPU that, anyway, any laptop would benefit from an SSD, but this one having a powerful CPU, it's a bit of a shame it doesn't have an SSD. So yeah, that's about it guys for this video. Thank you again for watching, and bye.